Your discipline builds your future. Welcome to Clartify.
There comes a point in your life when you can't keep lying to yourself. A moment where you finally see the enemy you've been fighting, and it's not the world, it's not the past, it's not people, it's you. Your weaker self, your softer habits, your old mind. Most people don't lose because life is hard. They lose because they protect the version of themselves that keeps them small. The version that hesitates. The version that waits. The version that chooses comfort over discipline, excuses over effort, fear over action. And every day, that weaker version wakes up with the same mission. Keep him the same. Keep him tired. Keep him scared. Keep him doubting. Keep him repeating the same habits, the same routines, the same thoughts. Because if he doesn't change, he can never rise. But one day, something snaps. A thought hits him like a punch. If I don't kill the weaker version of me, it will kill the man I'm supposed to become. And that's where the real fight begins. Not with the world, but with the self. The mind he built over years, the habits he protected, the fears he fed, the excuses he repeated. All of them resist the new identity he wants. Every time he tries to rise, the old mind whispers, "Stay comfortable. You failed before. You're not ready. Do it tomorrow. No one cares." But he finally understands the truth. Your mind is programmable, and you programmed it to be weak. Now you must reprogram it to be unstoppable. This is the reset. He starts destroying every belief that kept him small. I'm not good enough. Deleted. I don't deserve better. Deleted. I'm not ready. Deleted. This is who I am. No, this is who the old you was, not the man you're becoming. He replaces every weak thought with a stronger one. I decide my life. I control my mind. I build my identity. I rise even when I'm tired. I do what must be done, not what I feel like. He stops living emotionally. He starts living intentionally. He moves even when scared. He speaks even when unsure. He acts even when uncomfortable. He wakes up when his body screams sleep. He trains when his mind says no. He chooses discipline when everything inside him wants comfort. Because he realized something powerful. Discipline is not what you do. It's who you become. Every disciplined action kills the weaker version. Every excuse feeds it. This is you versus you. Every morning is a battlefield. Every decision is a punch. Every habit is a weapon. Every thought is a strategy. You don't need the world to change. You don't need a better past. You don't need motivation. You need a new mind, a new standard, a new identity. You reset your mind by refusing to live like the old you. Not once, not sometimes, but every day. The moment you feel lazy, you move. The moment you feel fear, you act. The moment you feel doubt, you speak. The moment you feel weak, you strike back harder. You stop waiting for the right time. You stop asking for permission. You stop negotiating with your limitations. You stop living below your potential. The old you must die for the new you to live. Not slowly, not gently, but completely. Because the strongest version of you is not created by comfort. It's created by war, the war between who you are and who you refuse to be anymore. And here is the truth. If you don't destroy your excuses will destroy your life. If you don't control your mind will control you. If you don't build discipline, you will be owned by weakness. You owe it to yourself to rise, not for the world, not for validation, not for praise, but for you, for the future you, the powerful you, the unstoppable you, the version of yourself that is waiting on the other side of effort. So decide now. The weaker me dies today. The stronger me takes over. If you want more content that pushes you, challenges you, and forces you to dominate the battle of you versus you, subscribe now. The journey doesn't start when you feel ready. It starts when you decide to rise. And that moment is now.
Thank you for watching. If you're ready to upgrade your mind and build unshakable discipline, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. More powerful lessons are coming. Stay disciplined. Stay clarified.